This is our 1987 Wauquiez Centurion 40, a performance blue water cruiser with all the comforts of home. She is a very capable offshore yacht known for fast ocean crossings with a seakindly motion and is ideal for long-term cruising on a modest budget. The comfortable interior layout, which can sleep 7, plus the spacious cockpit make this boat perfect for families. She has been well maintained by knowledgeable owners with many upgrades including a new air conditioning unit in 2021. Take a look at the listing for all the details and enjoy the walkthrough. We hope you enjoyed this video walkthrough of our 1987 Wauquiez Centurion 40. As always, the full specs and asking price are at the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and please consider subscribing for more video walkthroughs. And for more listings, visit our website.